So, what is Paradigm? Paradigm is a science festival. Paradigm is also the what that you hear when you use the words science and festival together. We absolutely love science. We also question it because questioning is how science moves forward. But stopping on the way to celebrate how far you've come. That's Paradigm. Everybody celebrates the Eureka moments. But our favorite is the I have no idea moment. Because that's where the fun is.